It's been raining for the past few days. The kind of rain that keeps kids staring out the window, waiting for the sun to come back. A few days ago, I made a promise to my daughter. I told her, as soon as the sun shines again, we're going to the beach. And today, that day finally came. We started preparing our baon. Not sandwiches, not fried chicken. We decided to make pizza. There's something special about making your own food before an adventure. It becomes part of the memory. For me, it was another beach trip. For her, it felt like the biggest event of the week. After packing everything up, we headed out and waited for a jeep. Kids have a way of turning every moment into part of the adventure, the feeling only kids can have. And the moment we finally arrived, she was ready, actually more than ready. The second she saw the beach, she wanted to run straight into the water. But first, we had to walk to our cottage. At least that was the plan, because in her mind, there was no reason to wait. The beach was just right there. And honestly, I couldn't blame her.
After days of rain, seeing the ocean again felt refreshing. The waves were a little stronger than usual, a reminder that the rainy season wasn't completely done yet. So we stayed close, took our time, and enjoyed the water safely. And despite all the rainy days we had, the shoreline was still as inviting as ever.
Finally, she got what she had been waiting for. The sand beneath her feet, the sound of the waves, the cool water. And just like that, she was off. Completely in her own world. Watching her enjoy herself reminded me of how simple happiness can be. No expensive toys, no screens, no complicated plans. Just a beach, a little sunshine, and the freedom to play. She loves the beach, she loves swimming, and seeing her smile this much made every minute of waiting through those rainy days worth it. We spent hours enjoying the water, playing along the shore, and simply enjoying each other's company. And of course, we didn't forget about our pizza. After all that swimming and playing, it tasted even better. Maybe food always tastes better after a day at the beach. Or maybe it was because we made it together. Either way, it was the perfect ending to a perfect day. Promise made, a promise kept. A beach day after the rain, and another memory added to our story. Until the next adventure.
Bye!